Hello and welcome to that new Kosmik video. This week we're sharing another AI prototype with you in our kind of series where we show you how we think we're going to leverage Canvas and LLM. Today, what I want to show you is how we think we can redesign the web browser from the ground up with no browser. So here, for example, I've imported an image from the movie Porco Rosso, and you see here I have a new button, and I can click here and just ask Kosmik to find related images on the web without having to, create a query or anything like that. And what's super cool is that it's going to fetch between 5 to 10 images, and I can just press here and either click to put them one by one on the canvas or just press Option, click, and all of those images are directly on my Kosmik account. What is even neater is that I can click on one of those drawings and reuse that as a source and click here and ask Kosmik to browse the web for me now and find other things related to the movie Porco Rosso. So you see how I can go from mood boarding to research to maybe brainstorming to creating a document in a few seconds. And here they are. And I can just click to put them here. Once I've done that, I can just click on any of them, press space, and browse the web right from Kosmik, as I've showed you in other videos. And what's extremely cool is that I can now capture anything from that website directly on my canvas, and that's going to be reusable as a prompt for another search. So what I want to show you now, what is super exciting in my opinion, is that any object on a Kosmik canvas, not just an image, can become the seed to replace a query to browse the web. So here, for example, I've created a text box about Ettore Sottsass, who is a designer I love, and I can just click here and again ask Kosmik to browse the web for me. And there's one last feature I want to show you in that same vein. And here they are, the 15 links Kosmik has found for me about Ettore Sottsass and the Memphis movement. And again, I can just click here, press space, and start reading. And if there are images or text I'm interested in, I can just capture them, put them on my canvas, and use that as a source for another search. So again, a very, very powerful, very neat new feature for Kosmik. The last thing I want to show you is that I can just go back to my text box or take any of those links here, click, and use that last feature, which is find videos about this. And with that prompt, we're just crawling YouTube. And we're trying to find videos that you can be interested in. You see, we have a few things to clean in the design, but it's working pretty well. Here I can move, click here. I have my videos. And now I can just play them on the canvas. And if you look at our other video, you can see that I can now use this and do a transcript, summarize it, compare those. So we're really turning Kosmik into a very neat, smart canvas, proactive, infinite board that you'll be able to use for research, creative work, knowledge work. And we're super excited about that. We hope to ship this in March or early April. There's a lot of testing to be done. We're extremely excited, and I hope that you'll drop a comment or send us an email or join our Discord to discuss what we have planned for the future of Kosmik very soon. See you.